Hello everyone, this is Savita Juneja is going to explain the first poem of class 11th, A Photograph. This poem is written by Shirley Tilson. Basically, in this photograph, Shirley Tilson had expressed one of the elements of her life. While watching or looking at the photograph, she was overwhelmed with few feelings about her mother. So this is basically a tribute of Shirley Tilson for her mother. The cardboard shows me how it was. Cardboard means very thick, stiff, using pale and brown in color. Students, you must have seen this cardboard or these kind of cardboards in your home, old time cardboard or frame of the photograph which was in the room of poets. Show me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling. Paddling means walking with bare feet in shallow water. Shallow means less deep water. Each one holding one of my mother's hand. So here basically in that photograph which was being observed by the Shirley Tilson, three girls were standing. One who was the big girl in center, the mother of Shirley Tilson, and both sides two girl cousins were standing by holding each hand of the mother of Shirley Tilson. All three stood still to smile through their hair as they had gone to celebrate a holiday at the beach. So because of the air, their hair were just moving here and there, fine, or flying in the air, you can say, or like that. So all three stood smile, okay, because their uncle was standing with the camera and clicking the photograph. Next written, a sweet face, my mother's. So whose sweet face is mentioned over here? Mother's face. Okay, that was before I was born. Children, take care of this point. This photograph which was being observed by Shirley Tilson was clicked when she was not born. I mean when Shirley Tilson was not born. At the sea, which appears to have changed less. It means sea waves were not there at that time. I mean at the background of those three girls in that photograph, suppose three girls are standing, okay, at the background sea was just still and not appearing any changes. Washed their terribly transient feet, meaning their feet who were lasting only for a short time in the water, waves, you can say. So that's why it is written that their terribly transient feet were also visible in that photograph. Some 20 or 30 years she had laughed at the snapshot. See Betty and Dolly. So according to this stanza, Shirley Tilson wants to say that this photograph was 20 to 30 years old, okay, and the age of the mother was 12 years. Okay, take care about these 2 years. Some 20 or 30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot. Snapshot meant to say an informal photo taken quietly. And Dolly, Betty and Dolly were the names of two cousins of the mother of the poet, Betty and Dolly. She would say, and look how they dressed up for the beach. Meant to say, as you know, they had gone at the sea beach for spending their holiday. So they had dressed up according to the beach also. Beach clothes, meant to say. Sea, the sea holiday was her past, mine in her laughter. Both wry with the labored age of loss. Students, take care about this line very carefully. Both it is written over here, both wry means underwent a chance, okay, with labor days. Labored meant to say done with a great effort, age of loss. So here I need to add one point to you people, that at that time the mother of Shirley Tilson and her family, okay, were facing from a loss, okay, family loss. At that time they used to remain sad, okay, just because that continuous sadness they had planned to spend a holiday at the See, fine, they were passing through or facing a heavy loss in the family, and they were sad, okay, and just because of the loss. But here it is written they were smiling. It is written over here that they smile just for the photograph, okay. Just so in this line basically, and irony is there. One side, for the snapshot or photograph they were smiling, but they were sad in the real. So here two opposite contrasting situations are there. So in this line irony is there, okay. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived. So here basically in the last stanza, poet wants to tell to the readers that now she has been dead, meant to say when that poem is written, when the poem named A Photograph was written, at that time that mother of the Shirley Tulson was dead. She was just writing this poetry or poem by observing that photograph of the mother as that girl lived. And for this circumstances means facts or condition, there is nothing to say at all. It's silences. See children, silences. There is a repetition poetic device. The stillness of the photograph of exercise living, mean to say when the Shirley Tulson at the end mentioned in this paragraph that her mother was no more, or she was already died. At that time she got sad, she was overwhelmed with the feeling of the loss of her mother. So that's why she said in the end of the poetry, I can't say anything. So it goes on silencing. So children, I had explained this video to you. I hope you have understood this poem very well. Thank you so much for watching.